Welcome! In this video, we will walk you through the steps to process a transaction manually in DataBridge software. In the top right-hand corner of the page, select the Manual icon. Next, under Operational Data, select Vehicle and choose the proper vehicle being weighed. Remember that the preset operational data is automatically populated when a vehicle is selected, or you will have to manually complete each field. Once you have confirmed the information associated with the vehicle, select Get Weight. Once prompted, manually fill in the weight, date, and time of the transaction. When done, complete the transaction. You have successfully completed a manual transaction in DataBridge.